Archbishop Thunderbirds 2. Hope this is going to work. Just please. Yes. Let's wait for the Archbishop. Add another coin, please. Message for Thunderbird 2. Then we'll start. Well, thank God this one works. I'm quite happy. Yeah, they moved it for some reason. Just wait a second. So they actually fixed the sound for some reason. 2, 3, 4. Okay, there we go. Yeah, there's a big puzzle there. Because it's been raining apparently. You're going to do one right before you ask. Remember Archbishop in 1994, and that's on ITV. You can see the fix the sound on this unit. It's very loud. Yeah. And that was the Archbishop V1 Thunderbirds 2 kiddie ride.